Hey guys, this is Louis Too Cool. Just dropping in another video. I'm not going to talk about uh, the gameplay for Godus itself. I'm going to talk about the aspect of saving your freaking pointer finger from this damn game. Fun game, 17 hours in it, and if you can see to my right here, in the other video of where I got my mouse. This mouse is it's a I don't know if you guys can see that. It's a G700, right? Perfect mouse, a perfect example why gaming mouses, even though this is not like, oh my god, you need all these buttons, let me explain to you how and why this mouse is awesome, and I'm going to show you how to set this up accordingly to do what I'm about to do. Now, as you can see, I got 4 buttons on my side right here. Okay, this removes it removes trees and it adds land. Now, let me go ahead and show you that. So I'm going to put my other fingers back like this. So I'm going to just hold my mouse. We're going to go over some trees. I can even hold it down. See me hold it down? You see me clicking? It just makes it so much easier to do this. Otherwise, it's click, 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 click. You know, it's very repetitive. So, let me show you some other stuff too. I've been working on some land items and stuff. Let's go over to this new area I think I've been working on. Okay, so real quick, I'm going to show you how to remove. Now, the top is to add land. The bottom button underneath of it, which is I can't see that well. Let's see. I think that's G4. Okay, so G4 underneath is my land removal. So let me show you that. Once again, not clicking on the front of the mouse. So I'll show you just like this, okay? You gotta be a little careful, a little touch sensitive, but you get the idea. You know, it's just so much smoother. I don't want to remove this land, don't have to click. And then, of course, the top button puts it back. Same button to remove the trees. Of course, which would have been the left and right clicker, right? So what I did is in the Logitech program, you can set up a mouse, a click function, and all it is it's just a repeated cycle. I set a certain milliseconds on it, so it's not like it's gonna bug out or maybe cause the game to crash. I was kind of worried about that, and it's not. Would I call it cheating? You can call it whatever you want it. I'm just trying to have fun doing the game without having to freaking click the crap out of it. So, like here, I'll show you real quick. Let's go ahead and get rid of this. I'm just gonna go back and forth. Very simple. You know, and I can still sculpt if I want to. Okay, so here, I'll click on it. And I can do that. And then I can still sculpt just pressing the button. See what I'm saying? Like I said, it's just so much easier. Now, I'm going to go ahead and create some land. How about we do that? Just to show you. I got enough energy. Let me just grab some stuff here. Now that I do got to click. Well, here. I mean, you could go. I don't know what I just got. I think he's going to go to work. So, okay. So, let's go ahead and add some land. As you can see, I have a kind of a bridge I was building here. So let me go ahead and build this up for you guys and show you how quick this is. I mean, it's quick. So let's go ahead and we'll carry this on. That's kind of cool too. I kind of like this dynamic land they got going here. This is really sweet. But you know what? It's even sweeter when you don't have to click on it 100 times. You know what I'm saying? So, and it's not, I'm not a Logitech fanboy either, and I'm not here to promote Logitech. I mean, I got a Razer keyboard, and I'm pretty sure I can do the same thing with if you have like your M1 to M5 keys to the sides of your keyboard. You could probably do the same thing. It's the same concept, just like the mouse. It depends. I like the controllability of my fingertips, right? So I got everything I want right here. Um, Not to be sidetracked of anything like that, but like think of this function as a weapon that you have in first-person shooter. It only does burst, right? So either burst or it's single fire. So you're going, 3-round burst. Let's say that. So you're going boom, 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 boom. You can make that same if you know what your latency is going to be for the milliseconds. Throw it in a button. Save the fingers, man. See, I work in an office, so I do a lot of typing. So uh, coming out of work and then gaming, probably not the best thing in the world. So once again, very, very simple. I just go ahead and click on. You can just do little clicks too. But it's sweet that it's an easy setup. And I want to just destroy some stuff here. Okay, like here, perfect example. We have all this water, right? Lot of land, and this whole this turn thing really sucks. But that's okay. I'll just deal with it until they hopefully fix it. Now here, I'm just gonna go ahead and drag make some more land. Now I played this game for 17 hours. I bought this game 2 days ago. So you can tell where my life's been. It's a very addicting game, and it's very, I don't know, I kind of find, I'm like I said, I'm not gonna talk about gameplay. We're here to talk about the clicker, but it's a fun game. I hope they keep up with their improvements. So like I said, I mean, we're making land. Everything's going nice and smooth. I mean, it is what it is. It's very sweet. So I hope now before I let you guys go, I was gonna let you go. Let's go ahead and let's look at the interface of how I set this particular mouse up in the Logitech GUI interface. Let's go do that. Well, back to showing you the how to set these buttons up accordingly. Right now it's just a primary two, but it's the same concept as if you were going to set a macro. You can do your powers, of course, if you know how Godus works. It's the some of the specials of going back from sculpting, maybe into setting your like your waypoints, so they'll all go there, and to activate your totems. Still remember the names. So let's go ahead and let's jump right into the GUI, and then I'll show you how we do this. All right, so boom. I have it listed under my default profile, but it's cool because I don't know, for some reason when I'm off the game, it really doesn't seem to interfere with anything. So here, left click and right click are always still active for the two top portions. Okay, so here and here we still have our normal clicking. It's where these come in from: the left mouse, right mouse. Now I can't call them the same name since the name's already taken, but just let's roll with it. So let's go. I'm going to show you how to do this. Simple steps. Okay, so let's roll through. Um, don't try to do this from the button itself. Do this into insert, like next to the command, so it dumps into your pool of your arrangements of how you want to pick your setup. So you're going to go under multi-key. So we're going to do test right mouse. Okay, and then what you're going to do is you got to do your recordings now. But this is where the tricky part is. How do you record this? Because look, it doesn't pick it up, right? So this is how you're going to do it. You're going to type in some random crap right here, okay? Then you're going to do stop recording. You're going to hold shift, click up, and you're going to delete. All right, you see this? Nothing's in here, but as you can see, the OK still highlighted, right? Great. This is what you're trying to aim for. In this black box, right click, insert mouse event. Mouse button, do a click. There you go. Bam. There's your up and right. There's your your down and up, okay? Repeated option, you're going to go while pressed. And 75 seems that does pretty good. You could do 110. Don't go anything cuz don't do the default 25 because your land's not going to sculpt because it's going to keep pegging in that one spot real rapidly, okay? So it's based on preference. Start at 110, work your way down, get the feel for it, okay? Okay, boom, you're done. You hit OK. Okay, now as you can see, test right mouse. All right, cool. Now you drag, you boom. See, now this button is now associated just like this button, how I have set up. Awesome setup. You do this the same exact way for the left mouse. Alright, so I'll go through it just to show you. So we'll do test left mouse. Okay, same thing. We're going to type in anything. Okay, do a stop recording. Hold the shift. Click up on your arrow on your keyboard. You're going to do a delete. You're going to do a right click. And you're going to go into the events. And you're going to look for the left button. Click down. There it is. Do that. You can do the 110. And then you hit OK. And once again, as a test, drag that bad boy right in there. And you know you're good. Okay?